The Channel for Life business opportunity was introduced in 2005 as an innovative way in which we, as Channel Life, could establish a more direct relationship with our clients. By adding For Life, we addressed the real needs of our clients and made a significant contribution to our country by improving the income and quality of ordinary South Africans' everyday lives. We are a subsidiary of Sanlam, a leading financial services company listed on the Johannesburg Securities Exchange. Channel for Life has gained recognition nationally as a strong and reputable network marketing player with representation countrywide. Your business is therefore in good hands. Channel for Life. With us,
you get more.
Football. When I feel the ball against my foot, the wind against my face, and the air in my lungs, I feel free, like I'm living out who I was created to be. There's nothing like it. But that feeling, it's like a dream. It's hard to hold on to. I don't know about you, but my life is hard sometimes. Really hard. But that doesn't stop me from dreaming. Dreaming of making it up and out. Onto the pitch, into the light, and into a new world of meaning and purpose and hope. I want to go there, follow the ball there. Do you?
But then, first of all, let's start with the footprint of MSc Business College. MSc has 20 branches nationwide. It has started here in Port Elizabeth around 1991 up to today. Now this means that we have 23 years of experience. So now as time goes on, the people have brought the franchises. So now meaning we have 20 campuses all over South Africa. Now with this campus here in Bloemfontein, it has started this year.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bondingo Sisitole. I am the principal of MSc Business College. MSc Business College, it is a registered institution with the Department of Higher Education and as well with several SETAs. We are currently working with a number of bodies as well, like ICB, as they have explained, Microsoft, and we as a business, we provide diplomas, learnerships, as well as skills programs to the community of Mangaung. Our involvement with Thabo Mafike Cup, we saw a need to join hands with this innovative venture, based on the reason to say that they are improving on the society or the venture itself. It's meant to uplift the community. So with us as well, FET, we saw a need to just contribute as well or join hands with Mr. Mafike to make sure that as well we impact not only impact our society not only based on education but as well with sports, as we know that sports and education, they go hand in hand. So we are striving to reach higher goals with Mafike Cup. We as an institution, we are solely behind the venture. We are behind the event itself. So we as an institution, on that particular day or during that time of the sport event, will be as well issuing bursaries to our learners as well, or to the youth that will be participating. So I'm urging all of you guys who are currently watching to just join hands. This is a good initiative for our community. Let's uplift our community. I thank you.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at Mtuzelo Primary School to interview one of the vice principals of the school about the Thabo Mafike Cup. I'm the ambassador for this tournament and I've been here since 2012. So let's get inside and find out more about the cup. Good day, sir. My name is Mohaladitwe from the Thabo Mafike Cup and I'm the ambassador for the tournament. And we are here at your school where you are the vice principal in Mtuzelo Primary School, which is also my former school, to interview you or to find out more about the role that you think the Thabo Mafike Cup plays in the community of Belfontein.
Thank you, Thabo. I'm very much pleased to see you. Thank you very much. Okay. The role of Thabo Mafike Cup is in this community is very much crucial as it attracted the youth to become involved in sports. It has taken them out of the criminal activities and gangsterism. The initiative is very good because the initiator himself is very disciplined and I really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we know that you acknowledge this tournament and you buy tickets year in and year out to support it. So I would want to know that what persuades you to buy tickets even though you do not attend sometimes?
Wow, I really support it. I really support it wholeheartedly. It really benefits the youth in this community. I buy tickets and I find myself not attending because of the commitments I always find myself in. And at the end of the day, the youth in our community are going to benefit as they are encouraged to pursue their studies.
Since you know, and we all know that the Thabo Mafike Cup also gives bursaries to students that perform good academically and who take part in sports. So, in your opinion, what will you encourage the community of Belfontein to support this initiative or tournament?
Yo, Thabo, you know, I'm really happy about this tournament. I'm a teacher, don't forget that. And I'm passionate about sports and education. I would encourage the community to support the initiative because a healthy mind needs a healthy body. This tournament also assists a great deal in the bursaries that are given out every year, which I really appreciate it again.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, one last question. Where will you, in your opinion, say that you see the Thabo Mafike Cup growing into in the next 5 years?
This is great. The tournament is going to grow because Thabo Mafike is one person whom I trust. I trust him. He's very active, passionate. He has perseverance. When he has started something, he always wants to finish it. So I have no doubt that really, in 5 years, the tournament would have grown.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for your time, and have a good day, fair.
Thank you very much, Thabo.
Yes.
Thank
As I'm about to enter your world with a simple message. A message concerning you and I as one nation. It is a short yet significant message from a concerned friend next door. As he was walking among the broken souls, trying to question and repair the word peace, which he found in pieces. Most of them chose to disown their non-birth soon after they discovered that an Impahaming has developed its fame the most devious way. Their fears began rising day after day. Meanwhile, they stood there, frozen, watching pictures of their own flesh being flushed down the drain without pipes. Blood flowing, tears and endless pain, giving them sleepless night, all this for just trying to prove a pointless point which never made a sense except conceiving countless thirds. They never understood the power of a single word, it is. Until they had an intervention from his own master, Mr. Mafike. This is the man who took a risk and created history with his own hands. Back in the year 2009, he had expected nothing in return except for victory and success in a young person's life. They described him as one of those in fancy suits and tie. Little they knew he was just an ordinary man from the same hood, who went through the same struggles they did. He had decided to take a different journey, a journey to discover light in leadership. In his hands he was holding a dream, hoping to save his dying nation, all in 11 different mother tongues, different backgrounds and attitudes. He brought them together to experience the love of the game. In one language we all understood loud and clear: soccer and athletes. Yes, he did it. He did a knock at our doorsteps, find us at our lowest, knocked down by life and its obstacles, and gave us hope to pursue our dreams. The Thabo Mafike Cup way, a simple way to just sit next to our friends, enemies and strangers, and not judge each other, but share the incredible laughter in one conversation, and create the most unforgettable memory of excitement in the field flooding with exciting sport activities. Excellence is our game, and education is our focus. That's our main motto, and what a better way to learn from through what our hearts desire most: the tournaments of Thabo Mafike Cup. A place where our communities will find unity to strengthen the bond and create a better and brighter future. Soccer is the name of that game, and yes, Thabo Mafike Cup tournaments, it is the right place to be.
Ke nna malome wa Lehlohonolo. Ke thabile haholo ho ba teng sebakeng sena mo Lehlohonolo e le horeng o fuwa tswelopele ya thuto e bang a sa kgone ho ba ho yona. Jwale ka Lehlohonolo e le hore batswadi ba ile ba hlokahala fela ntate Thabo Mafike o bile jwalo ka motswadi ha fitha a thusa monna yeno hore a fumane bazara. Jwale mosebetsi o etswang ke ntate Thabo Mafike, Modimo a mo hlonolofatse mesebetsing yohle le bana ba ba thusitseng ho tloha selemong sa 2009 ho tla fihla ha jwale. Jwale Modimo a etse tsela ya ntate Thabo Mafike hantle, mme a mo hlonolofatse ho tloha jwale ho ya hape. Ke a leboha.
Ntate Magalema, o ikutlwa jwang ka dipapadi tsena tse leng hore kgetlo la pele di kentse dipapadi tse fapaneng le bolo jwalo jwalo?
Tswa ke utlwa ke thabile haholo Mr. Mafike le mona motho fumane monyetla hore ka nnete bitsong la tournament ya hao e motho kgone ka nka karolo ka bontsha bana haholo jwa motho se ka ba sontso tloela talent ya bana. Jwale motho fe bana talent ba tswele pele ka papadi la itebe. Jwale ke ka hona ke tshweng ke re ane ke re ka nnete ho le tournament ena hao yena.
Jwale ntate o reng ho batho ba leng hore ke batswadi ba bang ba bona, o reng ho bona ka o kgothaletsa bana le bona ba be teng dipapading tse?
Nna ne ke lakatsa e ka re batswadi ba ka nkutlwa jwalo ka le mona ho le tjena ba tloela bana ba tlo ikwetlisa ka le botlhokotsebe bo ka fela hobane ke na le tumelo le bonnete ba hore bana ha ba ikwetlisa ba tla kgona ho tsebana le bana ba bodikarati ba tla tseba ba boxing ba bolo le bona ba tsebane kaofela. Jwale ne ke se ke re ho batswadi ka nnete ha ba tloele bana ba tle dipapading.
Ele bagala ntate Modimo ka talente ya mphileng yone a tla kgona ho ntokeletsa matsatsi a bophelo.
ngwaneso o ikutlwa jwang ha ile mona le ya di finale
so bana ga re prove batho ba bang di wrong because kana le ditshitse tse mste ngata mo sala re di prove le wrong ha ya final
o tshepisa balatedi ba sehlopha emfe
it's a piece of balatedi ba sehlopha ga pena la ga tsama ba yona re le superstars o le ya ha re la di defend a se motsetsa
ya le boanda
ale mo ile ke na le team le tsaka le le fitana ba ba di le ka fela batho ba support le le di coach ga technical team ka fela ke a le mo
mokwetlisi maikutlo ha o ke afe ka sephetho
ga itumela le se mo ba se ka teng fa sa go qadile hantle na khona se se tshetse na le se ke na go le se la ga le se mo se lo o fene ai ba go na am not the head ke lo ba se ka teng a di na ba ka ba ni se ma he ke di ka lo di sa ya fa le o se no lo be na ka kapina so ga bona ba fa ya ga di ba ka tsa a go ni da ba
ndate re le buile mena e feta jwalo fela wa ba bona ba ntse ba etsa jwang fela ba fitile fela jwalo ke le Thabo fela ke le Thabo fela ke le Thabo fela bon 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 ke le Thabo fela ke le Thabo fela mamedi wa ka ke le Thabo fela ba ya di finale ba ya di finale ba ya di finale captain ke rata utlwa maikutlo a hao
ya tsa go gola kana ya so ba pela go gola
hono bona la ikare le ne le kgathetse hono bona la ikare ne le se le kgathetse a le ntse le ra dipenele bo tla twene le
tadi jika lo isha wana ya wana ni wa 19 minutes ko fera go jwa ba bona go dikiti ya la bona ra amu go ni isha wana ni ga ga
This sensation runs through to my soul, to the every fiber of my soul. It's my being. See, this sensation encompasses me. It takes me on a journey untold. It takes me on a journey astray. So baby, lead the way. She Shavumba is the queen. Shavumba is me. The reason I say, would you love me? Will you love me? Could you love me? And you should love me. Is because I am Shavumba. I am the feeling, the love, the fire, a true Shavumba, 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 Shavumba.
Parce que